Hey there, it's Riz, and this time we're going to be talking about the initial registration steps or procedure. So, all we have to do are these 7 simple steps. Let's now talk about the first 3 steps, which are logging in to online.prc.gov.ph, or you may search the keyword Leris in your browser. So, ito yung interface ng PRC website. So, dito natin i-input yung username natin and yung ating password. Next step is to select transaction, which is initial registration. Step 3 naman is to input our profession, whether you are an engineer, an architect, a teacher, or etc. And dito din natin i-input yung registration number natin, which can be found in our NOA or NOA, or also called as Notice of Admission, which serve as our exam permit during our board exam. At makikita din natin to sa ating user profile sa ating Leris account. So the next procedures are the following: select schedule, select payment options, pay, and then print out your receipt and your oath form. So sa step number 4, dito natin pipiliin yung gusto nating date and time of our schedule or yung appointment natin. And pipiliin din natin which branch or PRC office yung gusto natin. Step 5 is selecting our payment option. Don't worry dahil marami silang payment options just like PayMaya, GCash, 7-Eleven, and other credit cards. Step 6 is to already pay 1,050 pesos. For as of date, June 2022, 1,050 yung nabayaran ko for the online appointment. Next step naman is to print out the receipt and the oath form. So, click nyo lang yan and ida-download nyo yung mga documents and print them out. So, those are the 7 easy steps for the online appointment registration. Up next is we're gonna be talking about the physical PRC license initial registration appointments. What do you expect kapag andun ka na sa PRC office branch? Thank you for watching this video. For questions, use the comment section or email me. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.